Well, color markers, you've done the worst again. So let's get started with the elimination and the way we go. Marker is the first one safe. So are cake and pen. Coiny and Stacey, one of you will be eliminated. The other will be safe. And the last person safe is Coiny. Yeah, what? What the flip? Yep, Stacey, you're eliminated. What? Stapy's eliminated? No, you can't do this. Sorry, it's the game rules. Now, Stapy, go to the eliminator room where the other people are. Grr, I hate you for that. Yep, you're a fanny wannabe. Anyway, now it's time for the. What's wrong with TV? I think he must have ran out of power. Oh no! Maybe we should help him? I think you guys should. Today's challenge is to fix TV. Each and every one of you must fix TV. The team that is bad at fixing TV will be up for elimination. Got it? Got it! So, how do we fix TV? Well, I'm not going to tell you. You do it by yourselves. Go! Come on, Winnie. Okay, TV's still dead. Good job, Woody, anyway. Now it's our turn. Phil, fix TV. No, wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Stand back. No, Snowball, no hitting TV. That'll cause him to break even more. Oh, sorry. Ew, ew, we know how to fix TV. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate you. Thank you for fixing me. Yeah! So Team Fireballs are safe, and everyone is safe except for the Flying Buddies, who are up for elimination. Thanks a lot, Snowball, you jerk! Shut up! Alright, that's enough chit chat. Vote on these many vote off on these many contestants as you like. Whoever gets the most votes will leave the show. Anyways, vote one now.